Today, we're diving into one of the hottest releases in the gaming world, the ASUS ROG Phone 9 Pro. This isn't just a phone. It's a beast designed for gamers, by gamers, and it's packed with incredible features that make it stand out from every other phone out there. So let's get into the unboxing of the ultimate gaming phone that just got better. First up, ASUS has officially confirmed the ROG Phone 9's global launch for November 19, 2024, and they're bringing some major upgrades. Right out of the box, you can feel the premium build. The leaked hands-on video showed that ASUS went for even better materials and a refined design, while still keeping that signature ROG look we know and love from the ROG Phone 8. Now, design-wise, ASUS has absolutely nailed the gamer-centric aesthetics once again. Look at this, the LED lights on the back, the bold ROG logo, and the sturdy build all scream gaming. Plus, ASUS is bringing new AI features to make gaming smoother and smarter than ever. They're also rumored to have the best heat dissipation tech available right now, which is a big win for long gaming sessions. Now, let's talk about the display. This is where things get insane. We have a 6.78-inch LTPO OLED screen here, pushing a groundbreaking 185Hz refresh rate on a Samsung E6 AMOLED panel. This makes it the smoothest display you'll find on any gaming phone, giving you buttery smooth visuals and intense responsiveness that's going to be a game changer. Battery, no worries there. ASUS packed a 5800 mAh battery in here, meaning you can game for hours without worrying about charging. And when you do need to power up, the 65W wired charging support has you back in the game in no time. This phone is built for non-stop action. Camera fans, we're covered too. The ROG Phone 9 Pro boasts a triple rear camera setup with a 50MP main sensor for crystal clear shots and a 32MP front camera for high-quality selfies and streams. Now for the gaming-specific perks. The ROG Phone 9 Pro has ultra-responsive air trigger buttons, which give you that console-level feel on a mobile device. And it's IP68 rated, so dust and water aren't going to slow this phone down. Plus, ASUS has added a high-quality magnet speaker system that takes audio to the next level, so you're fully immersed in every game. And that's a quick look at the ASUS ROG Phone 9 Pro. With its epic design, powerful battery, and next-gen display, this is the phone for any serious gamer. If you're as excited as I am, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.